Hello students, in this e-lecture we are going to discuss some important and very useful properties related to inverse of tangent functions. First is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equals to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy when xy less than 1. Let tan inverse x equals to a and tan inverse y equals to b. Here ab belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. As tan inverse x equals to a, then x equals to tangent a, and tan inverse y equals to b, then y is equals to tangent b. As we know, tangent of a plus b equals to tangent a plus tangent b upon 1 minus tangent a into tangent b. Replace tangent a by x and tangent b by y. We get tangent of a plus b equals to x plus y upon 1 minus xy. This gives a plus b equals to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy if a plus b belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Now we need to check when xy less than 1, a plus b should belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So, when xy less than 1, then tangent a into tangent b is less than 1. It means sin a sin b upon cos a cos b is less than 1. It implies that sin a sin b less than cos a cos b because cos a into cos b is greater than 0 as ab belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Sin a sin b less than cos a cos b can be written as cos a cos b minus sin a sin b greater than 0. It implies cos of a plus b greater than 0. As cos theta is positive in fourth and first quadrant, so we get a plus b belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Now, in the equation a plus b equals to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy, we replace a by tan inverse x and b by tan inverse y. So, we have proved that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equals to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy when xy less than 1. Similarly, we have tan inverse x minus tan inverse y equals to tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy where xy greater than minus 1, and tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equals to pi plus tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy where xy is greater than 1. Also, we have 2 tan inverse x equals to sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. 2 tan inverse x equals to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square, and 2 tan inverse x equals to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. We can prove any of these three properties by putting x equals to tangent theta on right hand side. But it is sufficient to learn and apply these properties. Let's discuss some questions based on these properties. First question is, show that tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 2 by 11 equals to tan inverse 3 by 4. Let's start with the left hand side. Tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 2 by 11. Here 1 by 2 and 2 by 11. Their product is less than 1. So we can apply the formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equals to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. So replace x by 1 by 2 and y by 2 by 11. We get tan inverse 1 by 2 plus 2 by 11 upon 1 minus 1 by 2 into 2 by 11. Solving this, we get tan inverse 11 plus 4 upon 22 upon 22 minus 2 upon 22. Solving this, we get tan inverse 15 by 20, that is equals to tan inverse 3 by 4. Moving to the next question. Here, left hand side is equals to 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. First, we need to simplify 2 tan inverse 1 by 2. For that, we use property of 2 tan inverse x. As we have three properties of 2 tan inverse x, so here we use 2 tan inverse x equals to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square, because our second term of left hand side is tan inverse 1 by 7. After applying the property on 2 tan inverse 1 by 2, we get tan inverse 2 into 1 by 2 upon 1 minus 1 by 2 square plus tan inverse 1 by 7 as it is. Solving this, we get tan inverse 4 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. As 4 by 3 and 1 by 7, their product is less than 1. So we can apply the property of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equals to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. So we get tan inverse 4 by 3 plus 1 by 7 upon 1 minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 7. Solving this, we get tan inverse 31 by 17. Moving to the next question. Prove that tan inverse 1 plus tan inverse 2 plus tan inverse 3 equals to pi. As left hand side is sum of 3 terms, so apply property of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y on any 2. Let's apply it on tan inverse 2 plus tan inverse 3. As product of 2 and 3 is greater than 1, so we use tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equals to pi plus tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. After applying the result, we get tan inverse 1 plus pi plus tan inverse 2 plus 3 upon 1 minus 2 into 3. That is equals to tan inverse 1 plus pi plus tan inverse 5 upon minus 5, which is equals to tan inverse 1 plus pi plus tan inverse minus 1. As we know, tan inverse of minus x equals to minus tan inverse x. So we get tan inverse 1 plus pi plus minus tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 and minus tan inverse 1 cancelled. So we get tan inverse 1 plus tan inverse 2 plus tan inverse 3 equals to pi. Take another question. In this question, our left hand side is equals to tan inverse 1 by 4 plus tan inverse 2 by 9. Here we use the property tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equals to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy, because product of 1 by 4 and 2 by 9 is less than 1. After applying the property, we get tan inverse 1 by 4 plus tan inverse 2 by 9 equals to tan inverse 1 by 4 plus 2 by 9 upon 1 minus 1 by 4 into 2 by 9. After simplification, we get it is equals to tan inverse 17 by 34, and that is equals to tan inverse 1 by 2. Now we multiply and divide tan inverse 1 by 2 with 2. So we write it as 1 by 2 into 2 tan inverse 1 by 2. Here we use the property 2 tan inverse x equals to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. After applying the property, we get 1 by 2 into 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 2 cos inverse 1 minus 1 by 2 square upon 1 plus 1 by 2 square. After simplification, we get it is equals to 1 by 2 cos inverse 3 by 5. Moving to the next question. In this question, we have tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x equals to pi by 4. Solving this equation, we have to find x. As x is unknown, so we apply the property tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equals to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy when xy less than 1 on left hand side. After applying the property, we get tan inverse 2x plus 3x upon 1 minus 2x into 3x equals to pi by 4. Here, according to condition, 2x into 3x equals to 6x square should be less than 1. After solving the bracket, we get tan inverse 5x upon 1 minus 6x square equals to pi by 4. Therefore, 5x upon 1 minus 6x square equals to tangent pi by 4, that is equals to 1. Solving this, we get a quadratic equation 6x square plus 5x minus 1 equals to 0. And solving this quadratic equation, we get two values of x, 1 by 6 and minus 1. Now we need to check that both the values of x are solution of the given equation or not. For that, put the value of x in the condition. If it satisfies the condition, it is solution of the given equation. Otherwise, not. Let's check. First, x equals to minus 1. Put x is equals to minus 1 in 6x square. We get 6 into minus 1 square, that is equals to 6, which is greater than 1. So, x equals to minus 1 is not a solution of the given equation. Now we check 1 by 6. Put x is equals to 1 by 6 in 6x square. So we get 6 into 1 by 6 whole square, that is equals to 1 by 6, which is less than 1. So x equals to 1 by 6 is the only solution of this given equation. Take another question. In this question, 2 tan inverse cos x is equals to tan inverse 2 cosecant x is given to us. Solving this equation, we have to find value of x. First, we need to solve 2 tan inverse cos x. For that, we use the property 2 tan inverse x equals to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. We replace x by cos x. So after applying the property, we get tan inverse 2 cos x upon 1 minus cos square x equals to tan inverse 2 cosecant x. On taking tangent of both sides, we get 2 cos x upon 1 minus cos square x equals to 2 cosecant x. As we know, 1 minus cos square x is equals to sin square x. So we get 2 cos x upon sin square x equals to 2 upon sin x. Solving this, we get cos x equals to sin x. It implies that tangent x equals to 1. It means x is equals to pi by 4. So students, I hope that you all have understood about these properties of inverse trigonometric functions. Learn these properties and try to solve these questions. Thank you.